Hi, and welcome back to the series that I like to call Coffee and Coronacation because we're all stuck inside. I am your host, Mary Hannah, and this week we will be discussing Module 8. Module 8. State Organized Societies. Thank you, Pulse app. Get your coffee, tea, energy drink, or water, your drink of caffeinated preference, and let's get on into it. There was two videos that we had to watch for this module. One was a TED Talk and the other one was a crash course. Now, they were both very solid videos, very informational. So informational to the point where I didn't know how to make a video out of either of them. So, I took a sliver of the crash course video, and that's what I'm basing this entire video on. So, in the crash course video, what's his name? John Green said that the Greeks called everybody barbarians because their language to them just sounded like bar, 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 bar. So we're gonna take that 5-second sliver of a video, we're gonna make an entire other video about it. So today, I would like to teach you the Han-Cassian alphabet. What is that, you may ask? Well, my name is Mary Hannah, and my research assistant's name is Cassidy. But we have developed an alphabet, and today I would like to teach it to you. Now, we did not go 100% into this alphabetical language. We have zero phonetics to go with anything. It's just an alphabet because I didn't know what else to do for this video. And, you know, to be a part of a state organized society, you need a language, you need a way to communicate. So, we made a way to communicate. Communicate? Communicate. Alrighty. And welcome back. Today, class, we're going to be talking about the Han-Cassian alphabet. I need to turn my ring light down. Alphabet. Alright, so of course, like any other alphabet, except, you know, not all alphabets are quite universal. Universal? Universal. We're going to start with the letter A, because A, right? Alrighty, so beginning with the letter A in the Han-Cassian alphabet, the letter A looks a little like this. So what we kind of did is we have taken the letter A and we just kind of, you know, drew around it to see what we could get out of it. So from this letter A, the American A, we have made this for the Han and Cassian alphabet. So that's generally how we made our entire alphabet. We drew the American alphabet, and then from that we kind of drew around it, gave it a little bit more of a personality, and that's how we got it. Alright, of course, so the next letter being B. So we have the letter B in the American alphabet. So what we did for ours is kind of the same thing. I have to look at our paper. Alright, so for the Han-Cassian alphabet, we have that as the letter B. So that's generally, it's very geometrical. There's a lot of triangles, circles, squares, and just some kind of out of the ordinary kind of stuff. Alright, so moving along, we have C. So the Han-Cassian alphabetical C is, oh, that's ugly. Oh no. Technical difficulties, people. You know what? I'm gonna use a little bit of color differentiation, just so you can obviously tell which one's ours and which one's. Okay, so that is the two side by side. You know what? Hold on. I have an easier way to do this. Okay, so just to be a little easier to follow, I have written the American alphabet down here, and then the Han-Cassian alphabet's gonna be up here. So following next, we have D. So in the American alphabet, it is D, D. So very, very similar, except, you know, we include a lot of circles, a lot of shapes. So, D in the Han-Cassian alphabet. I'm sorry about the glare of my ring light. Ugh, I know in the other video that I did with a whiteboard, it was really dark because of the library. And E. And E in the Han-Cass. We start with the same base, but of course we have to add our shapes. And there we have E. Need an eraser. Is this how professors do it? Back into F. Now this one's got a little different spin on it, so we gotta be very careful. So same base, backwards. So it kind of had this same stature, same shape. See, like this, it has a top line and a middle line. We have a top line here, but we have this geometrical figure on the side hanging down. But then instead of our middle line, we have a circle. Oh no, my marker fell in the trash can. We're gonna go into G and in the hand cast. So same kind of shape as like a lowercase g that the American alphabet would have, except, you know, we just like shapes in this household. Is this a content-worthy video? I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so next, of course, H. It fell in the trash can again. All right, so what if I just, oh my God, I have a thingy right here. Well, doesn't fit. Yes, it does. So this one you do have a line, kind of like this one, but it's not gonna be in the middle. Instead, you're gonna go down from this line and you're gonna draw a little circle right there. Now that's kind of ugly, but that's what it is. We have the American I. Now you have to be very careful with the hand cast I. It does have a similar stature to A. I looks like this. So it kind of, you know, resembles the lowercase I in the American alphabet. J. This one's all shapes, all right? Is that right way to the camera? I think so. K. K. All right, moving right along into L. Same structure, same base, and we have a circle inside of it. We have M. Everybody writes them kind of differently. There's this one, whatever your preference is. Pick your How dumb am I right now? Is this stupid? Has the same kind of structure. So it does have that. You can see it right here. The inside structure of that an American M. Alright, my arms are getting tired and I feel very stupid doing this. I feel like it's not going to be a very good video, but we're going to go ahead and take a coffee break so I can contemplate my grade. Excuse me. Alrighty, so we're picking back up at N. This one's a little difficult. It's kind of tricky. You gotta pay attention. The letter N. This is fine. So next we have the letter O. We took a triangle. And we said, yeet, yeet. Like he's dashing, like he's running. My fingers are really hurting now. So now we have the letter P. Because what would a letter be without a circle? We come up on the next one, which I think is probably one of the most difficult letters that was ever created in the hand-Cassian alphabet, is Q. So we're gonna draw just like that, and there you have the letter Q. So we're gonna go right into the R, and we're going to make a triangle. And there we have the letter R. It's the letter S, so kind of like an 8, or like an 8. T. This one's not as similar. Come under it like this, kind of like a sailboat. And that is the letter T. Alright, going on to the letter U. So it's got the same structure as that, but it kind of looks like a fancy A. V, and a circle here. And there you have a V. Here's W. Alright, so it's kind of like the music notes, like the, right? Except we don't have this square shape, we have this triangle one, of course, all right? All right, bear with me, we're almost there. So we're going on to X. So it's kind of got that same shape of the American. Almost there, we're almost there. Let's go on to Y. So it's kind of like my posture on that one. Ha ha ha. Z. So it's kind of like an upside down 7 with a little line. And that is the entire hand-Cassian alphabet. Alright, so here I have written a message in the hand-Cassian alphabet. So, see if you can use the knowledge that we have learned today to decipher. I'll give you a couple seconds. Maybe you'll have to pause. All right, and the answer is World Prehistory Module 8. So we made an entire alphabet and we are able to use it. Now don't ask us for pronunciations because there are none right now. All right, and that's all that I have for this module's video. I hope you actually enjoyed the hand Cassian alphabet that we have created, me and my research assistant. Join us for the next module when we talk about
Mesopotamia.
Is it?
Nope, I have no idea.
Yes, it is Mesopotamia and the Eastern Mediterranean world. See you next time.